In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common connectivity issues with Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever faced the frustration of Outlook not working as it should, you know how critical it is to get it back up and running. We'll go through a few simple yet effective steps that should help you resolve the issue swiftly and get you back on track. First, let's begin by checking your internet connection. This might sound basic, but often it's the simplest issues that can disrupt our day. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet network. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired connection just to test if it improves your connectivity. You can also try resetting your router to see if that resolves any troubling connectivity glitches. Once you've ensured your internet connection is stable, the next step is to sign out and then sign back into your Microsoft account within Outlook. Open up Outlook, navigate to the top right corner where your profile icon is, and select Sign Out. This helps refresh your account connection and can resolve minor syncing issues. After signing out, you'll need to sign back in using your same credentials. This simple action often helps in restoring your connectivity. Next, let's look into your stored credentials. Sometimes outdated or incorrect credentials can cause problems. To clear these, head over to your control panel. Once you're there, locate Credential Manager. Under the Windows Credentials tab, you'll find all the saved credentials on your system. Look for any entries related to Outlook or Microsoft Office and remove them. This step ensures that the next time you log in, Outlook uses only the most current and correct information. Moving forward, it's crucial to ensure that your Outlook is updated to the latest version. Having the latest updates not only provides you with new features, but also fixes bugs and enhances overall security and performance. To do this, open Outlook, go to the File tab, select Office Account, and then click Update Options followed by Update Now. This will ensure you have the latest improvements Microsoft has rolled out. Lastly, a good old restart of your computer can often do wonders. Once you've completed all the previous steps, go ahead and restart your machine. Allow it to boot up completely, and then try accessing Outlook again. This gives your system the chance to fully integrate all changes you've made so far and can assist in resolving any lingering issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any Outlook connectivity issues. Remember, technology can be finicky, and sometimes you need to take a moment to reset and refresh. Thank you for watching, and hopefully, Outlook is now back to working smoothly for you.